This recipe will surely date me, but do you remember the dry, no-bake peanut butter ball recipe that's actually made with dried coffee creamer or milk? I often think about these little balls, and I haven't had them since maybe kindergarten at school many, many years ago. Maybe it was a 70's treat. Anyway, it's 2 cups of the dried milk or coffee mate or coffee creamer, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of honey, and you roll it into balls and you chill for 20 minutes. That's a lot of honey. And the peanut butter, I guess this would be comparable to today's little recipes where they do the protein powder ball, maybe. And you could add, oats, but I want to taste the authentic recipe that I remember from my past. So it'll look something like this when you're done before you roll it out. And if I remember correctly, I feel like it was an after-school summer program fun activity that they did for kids while the parents worked. So yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait. It actually goes a long way. I still have a little bit to do, but I'm going to go ahead and put these in the refrigerator. So I can't wait. I'm going to try it. I can't wait the 20 minutes. I've been thinking about this for years and years and years. I Googled today because I don't know, I was thinking about them. I wonder how I'd make that. What was in them? And so I started my search with coffee creamer or dried milk because I knew it had dried milk. And then all that came up was nothing like a snack for the 70's like I Googled. But then I thought about it and I'm like, I think there was peanut butter, probably honey. I searched for those 3 ingredients and easy recipe. So let's try this, okay? The moment of truth. The memories, they just come flooding in. This is it. This is the exact thing. And it's so simple. And would you ever think that there would be a recipe with dried milk or coffee creamer? They're so good. You've got to try them. Just 3 ingredients: honey, some kind of dried milk, coffee creamer, and peanut butter of your choice. Definitely worth my wait of 40 plus years. I know what I'm making for the holidays. Have a great day. Oh, so good. And the texture is great. I think it's because of that dried milk / coffee creamer. Anyway, have a good day again. Bye-bye.